Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by validating prerequisites. Make sure your network is stable and you can ping common sites. Once done, restart your router, your PC, and the Roblox app to clear transient connection states. Make sure any VPN or proxy is off because they often block Roblox handshake. If the problem persists, temporarily disable or add Roblox to your firewall and antivirus exceptions so the client can open required ports. Doing these first removes the majority of simple refuse-to-connect causes. Next, dig into network configuration because persistent refusals often stem from DNS or NAT issues. You flush DNS and renew your IP to remove stale records, then set DNS to a reliable public resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8. 8. 8, so name resolution is fast and consistent. Make sure your router's UPnP or port forwarding isn't blocking outbound gaming ports, and that NAT type is open or moderate. Also update. Finally, reset the client and validate the scope of the issue. You should clear the Roblox cache, remove app data entries, then reinstall the latest client to eliminate corrupted files. Once reinstalled, make sure to test on another device or a different network to determine whether the problem is local to your machine or the network itself. If it still refuses to connect, gather connection logs, exact error messages, and the steps you tried, and then contact Roblox support so they can trace the handshake and server-side blocks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.